Hi everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. In this video, I will declutter and organize my makeup collection and also give you the whole tour of my vanity. I do love makeup and skincare, hence there are a lot of things than usual I feel. I also haven't decluttered in a year or so we will be doing that today. I will be throwing away all the expired and emptied products. So I have started off by taking out all the stuff from the first drawer as I store all the makeup there. And the remaining drawers have mostly hair care, jewelry and some swimwear clothes. Once I have removed everything off the drawer and the table, I will dust it off. Then I will take my usual cleaning solution to wipe down all the marks and makeup stains. I will also clean the light bulbs and the mirror with this solution as well. Vanity lights, baskets and the solution spray and most of the products are from IKEA. I will make sure to link all of them in the description below. First, I will categorize what I need to keep and the things I'm throwing away. Then I will clean all the baskets because they have also collected a lot of dirt and stains. Athar wanted to help, so I will let him help organize into the baskets and I will store all the things that I'm throwing away in a plastic bag. Expired. This is expired. Finished. That's all. It is day 2. I still have two things to go through, and I got rid of a lot of stuff yesterday. This is what I threw away. I'm going to collect more things in this. I'm going to be really thorough this time and not keep anything that has expired. Eyeshadow palettes I have. This is really old. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm also going to get rid of this and this. I'm going to keep these 3 for now. This is new. I need this. This is also new. I need this. This is a random box. I'm going to throw it away. These clips are really old and I don't like them. I'll throw them away. These are for my earphones, AirPods, but I don't think I need them, but I'll just keep it until my husband confirms it. Need scissors. Expired. Empty. This is my husband's. I don't think he'll use this one. This is the one that he will use, I think. I need hair ties. I can never have enough of them. This is old. Throwing it away. I'm gonna keep this perfume. This is a new one. Definitely need this. Definitely need this as well. And I'll keep this and I'll throw away these 2. These are some samples we got for something free. This also I'm gonna keep. I'll throw this. It's a pen, Vanity pen. Hair tie. This is another chaos. I'm going to keep this because I use this. And this is a nail polish remover. I need this. I have kept this empty bottle because of this thing. Cleaned it. This is the best I could do. So let's arrange everything. Initially thought I'll put my husband's things in this basket. This is not his, but I don't think this is enough for him, so I'll use the bigger basket. So everything is kind of sorted. Those are the things I'll get rid of. That is my husband's basket. And I just got one empty tray. And let's arrange it. Oh, I actually forgot to get rid of some lipsticks as well. Some of them are expired. One of them is this. The other one is probably this.
So satisfying. It actually looks really clutter free right now. So I'll just give you all a quick tour of where I keep what. I still feel like this is a lot. This is the final bag of the things that I'm getting rid of. I think I did a good job. I made sure that everything that is expired and finished is thrown away. We'll start from here. I have kept some of my brushes and combs here and kept the place empty to keep any jewelry or anything that is spare. Next to that, I've kept all of my lipsticks, mascaras, and eyebrow stuff. And I have kept all of my deodorants, perfumes, and this is my earbuds, and I also kept this one because I use it at night time, and I also kept my sunscreen because I use it every day in the morning. This is my husband's, rest everything is mine. So I think he uses this every day, so I kept it here as well. Here I have kept this cute little dustbin from Miniso, and I put a sticker here. So I'm gonna start from here. Here I have all of my hair ties, rubber bands, clips and stuff. Here I have all of my face brushes, new and old. I did have so much more and I got rid of all of them. Here I have my 2 eyeshadow palettes and one smaller one, 2 big ones. I may get rid of them in the future because I don't use it as much. These are all of my smaller clips and tic tacs, stuff like that. This is empty. Here mostly I have all the things that is related to face, like concealers, blush and highlighter, compact powders, loose powders, foundation. I had over 5 foundations. I got rid of all of them and I kept just one which is not expired. And this is the primer, blush, and this is the lipstick that my husband got for the first time, so I've kept it here although it is expired. Here I've kept lip liners, lip balms and lip oils and kajal and mini perfumes, stuff like that. Many things. Same again, some tools, facial razors. This is a trimmer, blenders, and some things that are very handy, so I've kept there. Here I've kept all of my nail paints. These are all good to use, so I've kept all of them. So here, as I shown earlier, I kept all of the hair essentials, some cotton and some makeup removal pads and some extra foot cream, sunscreen and stuff like that. This is my husband's basket, which he uses regularly. He may throw some things away, but for now whatever I've got, I've kept them so that he can decide later. So that's the end of this drawer.
So that is all I have for today's video. We'll see you in my next one. Make sure to subscribe for more such content, and I'll see you. Bye.